We are introduce highlight features or overview summary of FizZeal Kiddies Pool, inflatable pool with sprinkler, inflatable pools with big backrest. Consists of the following features. New design for dynamic water fun. Elevate backyard summer play. Basic inflatable pools provide simple water play, while our premium kids pool with sprinkler creates a full water park experience. Cheap kids pools for backyard have weak, uneven sprinklers, but our edge sprinklers deliver wide water arcs. The spray height adjusts with water pressure, letting kids enjoy happy splashing and cool summer fun. Spacious exclusive backrest design, perfect for family and friends. This 70x40x 11-inch inflatable swimming pool fits one adult or two kids for relaxing water time. Featured with a cozy backrest, you can lean and rest while children play freely. Our blow-up pools for kids balance large space and great comfort, ideal for family leisure and small parties to record warm summer memories. Dive into a vibrant underwater world with our kiddie pool inflatable. Made of UV-resistant material, this inflatable swimming pool builds a backyard ocean paradise to inspire kids' marine curiosity. Decorated with lovely sea animal patterns, this inflatable pool allows kids to enjoy imaginative splashing. The durable pool inflatable offers endless joyful time and sweet summer memories for your family. Quick inflation, instant fun. Multiple independent air chambers ensure firm stability for your kids' pools for backyard, preventing collapse and deformation. Fast inflation allows quick outdoor play, and it can be folded for easy storage. This practical kids' pool with sprinkler and inflatable pool with sprinkler brings simple, hassle-free water fun all summer long. Great gift! Our inflatable swimming pool and 2-in-1 kiddie pool inflatable serve as a perfect gift for all families. Connected to a garden hose, hose not included, this kiddie pool sprays water to form beautiful rainbows. The versatile inflatable pool works as a backyard play area or indoor ball pit, made of thick, safe PVC for long-lasting durable use. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.